Rice, where are you, man?
Hey Andy, I'm at the Key West now, traveling to the Key West a little bit, getting some sun and some water here. Yeah, enjoying, man.
I love it, dude. Well, I'm back at Casa de la Smith after a great week in Fort Lauderdale, Orlando, Miami, and now you're in Key West, doing business, having fun, living life. I love it.
That's right, man. And I think we learned a lot in the last days. We also saw that we have some superpowers together, which you can use and create great businesses. So yeah, it was a fun week, man. I really enjoyed it, and yeah, still missing you this side, but yeah, soon we'll be together there.
I fell in love with the concept of technology, talent, and telling the story, and I think that was reinforced all throughout the week of like tech, talent, story, man. That makes business of the future, right?
That's totally correct. The businesses that are coming now are most likely they need the technology or they have it and they need to upgrade it. So it's going to be a fun time ahead. And yeah, learning a lot, educating a lot. But yeah, we're going the right direction.
I feel like I'm talking to a weather broadcaster, dude. You're like a meteorologist on scene with the palm trees behind, sunshine coming down, and here I
Yes,
am in on the back porch.
yes, you're in a little calm area and I'm here at outside with all these noises of helicopter, boats, cars. So yeah, enjoying the days here.
I love it. I love it. Hey, Rice, I'll show everyone the present that you brought me from your country
Hey, yeah, and
right here.
also on the next call, when we go live again, we'll show you the present Andy gave me. It was something I never saw in my life that I could get, and it's something so unique that I'm not going to hang it. I'm going to leave it like that. Everywhere I go, I will keep it with me, so I always remember. Let's create businesses together.
And I'll tell you that gift was, without saying what it is, was made by a true entrepreneur who created something with their hands, and it now brings joy and impact to others, which is why we do what we do, which is entrepreneurship, business building, and living
That's
life, right?
correct. No, and the next video, we're going to show you guys the gift Andy gave me, something really special. And I must say, I never saw it like a gift, but it's so unique, so nice, and you understand the power that it has. So yeah, I'm so happy, and I'm happy, man, with the gift, and it will have a nice place in my house and everywhere I travel to.
Dude, right behind you is a McDonald's sign. And for those of you that
Yes,
don't know, Rice loves eating the fish burger. And what that is for us U.S. folks and maybe internationally is the good old filet of fish sandwich from McDonald's, aka
good.
the fish burger, which I love.
Yeah,
That was awesome. And how
and
fitting
also
you have McDonald's right behind you.
yeah, it's right here where I'm standing now in the at this side, the McDonald's right here. And I had the filet fish. I just had it. So we're
Fish
talking at the
burger.
right we're talking at the right moment about it. So yeah, I'm really excited, and let's see what a couple of weeks brings us. I think a lot of news coming in and a lot of things coming in. So yeah, let's go for it. And I would say I learned a lesson, a very good lesson from Andy is building businesses together is a superpower, but having a good story for your business is also a superpower you need. You can have the best technology, but without a story, it's nothing. So, thanks to Andy for sharing that with me and learning everyone that's following us with these tips.
I love it. It's we talked a lot about it, dude, but it's people, purpose, process. Those three ingredients bring profit, right?
Yes, no, that's totally right. And I also must say, Andy, that I got a couple of emails, people asking for our next events. So I would say stay tuned, guys. Very soon we'll come up with these events back. I think bigger ones.
Love it. Well, we have a sponsor now for a location, so we are
Yeah,
in. We're
that's
in. We've got a
correct.
beautiful
That's
sponsor.
correct. We got a
Hey,
strong
Rice,
sponsor.
I got a question for you, Rice. So there's a trending word on YouTube. I was looking it up. What's trending on YouTube? And there's a trending topic called "What is an AI automation agency?" And we talked a lot about that this week. So tell me, in your words, the evolution of IT to AI automation agency.
So the transformation that's happening now is that we see that Before we needed like all these type of developers. You needed the Python developers, you needed the WordPress developers, the Android developers, all these type of developers to create tools, to create technology. Nowadays we have these AI tools. Let me take an example like we have Laughable, we have May.com, we have Sapir, which you need people that understand the workflows to just to create the workflows in these AI tools. And the change that you see now is that instead of hiring so many of these engineers, people just take on these AI engineers now that use technology with, let me say, simpler and a smarter way to create new companies, to create new technology instead having waiting for months, for weeks for a product to be delivered. So everyone is making a change now, but I do have a concern. And my biggest concern always is that we're changing to these AI tools where we have some of these guys not knowing nothing about the technology, not having set up the correct technology. What will happen after 1 2 years? Are the developers coming back? Will the demand come back of developers? So it's a question. It's a great question that to leave that for you now, Andy. That I think we can have one day a full podcast. What are the risks of these tools now?
Well, what you shared though was that basically people are really good now with the new tools of building the front end. So the
That's
entrance to the
correct.
McDonald's they can build. But once you walk
Yes,
into the front door, there's no kitchen, there's no grill, there's no employees on the back end sponsoring the data. And that's where people start calling people like you and say, "Hey, I ain't got no back end, I need some help." And that's where you're seeing that gap, which is interesting. It'll play out over the future, but it'll be very interesting.
that's right, man. That's right. And I think that is something where we are coming in like we are not like only giving you the front, but we're giving you the front, the back, and the and the support for many coming years. We're giving you.
And the side to side, that reminded me of a rap song. Front,
Yes,
back, side to side. Whole
I think
picture.
that's some. I think that Unisupports has all these specialties going from tech to marketing to business building. We have all these things in one company. I think we have at some sort of point to change the description of the company because we can help people a lot ways.
Yeah. Yeah. Commercialization, we realize that. Technology development, we realize that. Marketing is part of commercialization, sales, all that stuff. You're right. It's all about getting the right people in the room, right? Getting the right people on the
That's
bus.
right. That's right. That's totally right. So yeah, let's look at what's happening in the coming weeks. I think a lot of news coming. Some we can share, some we cannot share, but we'll keep you guys updated about what's happening. I must say that I miss Andy a lot. I miss him a lot, and I cannot wait to see him back in the coming weeks or days to meet up again with him.
100%. I like this format where it's just raw, dogging it wherever we are in the world, talking shop, because that's what this week was about, and that's where the value came. Dude, you talked to me
That's right.
about 4 hours about security, IT, infrastructure, servers, how to protect stuff, data. People don't know, man. People don't know. They need to be aware of this stuff, and I think we should have recorded that car ride.
Yeah, we should have done it, but no worries. We can still make a podcast about that part because that is really important, and we can make a podcast like to educate everyone about this.
I love it. I love it.
No
Rice,
man,
man,
happy.
enjoy the sun, dude. Enjoy the
Thank
sun.
you. And and yeah, everyone will get back to you guys very soon. We had a couple of weeks off because we were preparing for the events and all these things, but you guys will see us back like 2 days in a week with all these new videos coming in.
Love it. Rice, peace out.
Bye,
Enjoy yourself.
everyone.
Love you, brother.
Have a
Miss you.
good one. Bye
Bye,
bye.
everybody.